Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to use docs to complete my summer assignment. So let's move on my desktop. First, I'll show you my Hindi assignment. Make a collage by using a, छोटी ई, बड़ी और ऊ की मात्रा, land animal bird pictures. Write the animal names in Hindi. Then click to new tab. Then go on the Google Apps. Then click on Docs. Then you have to click on the blank. Then go to the new. Then go to here and select any picture. I'm going to select Choti Uki Matra Chuhia picture. Make sure when you're searching any picture, you have to write clip art. Click on this. Then you have to click on the right side of the mouse. Then you have to click copy image. Then you go to the docs. Then click it. Then paste. And here's the mouse. If you want to make it small, as per as your choice. Click on the blue lines to make it small. Now I'm going to take Aki Matra Vali picture. Click on this. Then you have to click on this one. Then click on the right side of it. Then click copy image. Then go to the docs. Then you have to click here. Paste. Then you can see the tiger. Now we have to make it small. Now I have to find बड़ी की मात्रा वाले शब्द. It's a बकरी. Now I have to take picture of छोटी की मात्रा चिड़िया. Now I have to take बड़ी की मात्रा वाले शब्द भालू. See, I'm doing the same. Copy the image and then go to docs and paste. If you want to make it more small, click the image, then you have to click on the blue line of it and fix as small as you want. I am doing this through online. This is the simplest way to make a collage. Now in the same way, I will collect all my assignment picture. Really friends, it's very easy. You can do it by yourself. No need to bother your mom and dad. Do assignment yourself and make your mom and dad happy. Hope friends it will be helpful for you. And now my almost collage is completed. Now you can see at the top there is an option for print. Click on that to get a printout. Here is my printer. I'll get printout from here. Yay! I got printout and my printout came back. Yay! Thanks for watching.